Scotiabank Scene Visa Card App. The pros, the cons. If you're a movie lover or someone who enjoys earning rewards on everyday spending, the Scotiabank Scene Visa Card app might seem like a must-have, but does it live up to expectations? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by thinking the app is just for checking points. In reality, it allows you to track your scene points, your recent transactions, redeem rewards for movies, gift cards, and merchandise, and even find participating theatres nearby. It's a one-stop hub for managing your card and rewards. Another advantage is the personalised offers. The app often delivers exclusive promotions, bonus points, and discounts based on your spending habits. For example, you might get extra points for movie tickets purchased through the app or special offers at partner restaurants. This makes your everyday spending more rewarding. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional syncing issues between the app and the card account, which can cause delays in points updates. Additionally, redeeming points can be limited by availability, especially for popular movies or peak times. For users who don't frequent theatres, the app's benefits may feel less relevant. In conclusion, the Scotiabank Scene Visa Card app is a great companion for cardholders who enjoy entertainment rewards. The surprising truth is that while it's packed with features, the value depends heavily on how often you engage with its rewards program. If you love movies and want a seamless way to track points, redeem rewards, and catch exclusive offers, this app is a strong choice. Just keep in mind that maximum benefits come from regular usage and timely redemptions.